Did you know there was once a day that lasted 48 hours? 5 powerful kings joined forces to attack the city of Gibeon because they had made peace with Israel. This created the biggest army Israel had ever faced. Joshua and his soldiers marched all night from Gilgal to surprise their enemies at dawn. The battle was fierce, but God helped Israel in an amazing way. He threw down giant hailstones from heaven that killed more enemy soldiers than Israeli swords did. But as the sun started to set, Joshua realized his enemies would escape into their strong cities when darkness came. In desperation, Joshua did something no one had ever done before. In front of his entire army, he prayed a bold prayer commanding the sun to stand still over Gibeon and the moon to stop over Ajalon Valley. And incredibly, it happened. The sun stopped moving across the sky for a full day, giving Israel complete victory. The Bible says there has never been another day like it, when God listened to a human voice and stopped the heavens.